Hi folks, this is Max from ZitoMax.com. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my voiceover on my last video. Anyway, today I've got the best Android tablet, best free Android tablet, and also best paid Android tablet keyboard. So the first one I want to show you is the tablet keyboard free, right? And I'll even show you how to install it because I know it's once you open it, what you gotta do is go to settings, go to language and input and pick configure input methods and make sure tablet keyboard free is checked on. It won't be when you first install it, and then hit the back button and change the current input method to tablet keyboard free. So this is a free keyboard, but it's cool because you've got the alphabets left and right, so it's a lot more intuitive. You can type faster. Let me show you some of the options that it comes with. Let me see here. Tablet keyboard setup. Okay, so this one doesn't actually have other functions. Now if you pay like $2.85, which is what I did, if you can get the thumb keyboard, this is probably the best keyboard. I already bought it, so open that. And this one, once you install it, you have to install it the same way. Go to settings and change, make sure this is checked on, thumb keyboard 4, and then go back and then change current input method, thumb keyboard 4. Alright, and there's another way to change keyboards, but this is the keyboard. It's awesome because I like it because it's angled, and I can type really fast on this, much faster than, especially in landscape, because this just doesn't make sense to have your hand stretched out. But I can type like, I can type much faster. Well, I just got it, so I'm just still getting used to it, but it is a lot better than the old one, the standard Android one. Let me see, and you can, there's a bunch of options. Also, let me show you how to change keyboards on the go. You can do a long press, for those of you who don't know. Do a long press somewhere, you can change the keyboard. Well, you know what, let me try this. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, I think when it's empty, oh, maybe that's just on the phones. But if you do a long press on the setting thing, the slash here, you can change the layout of the keyboard. Select layout, and there's a bunch of different layouts you can test out. I'll show you a couple of them. Standard layout, so that's the standard, and do a long press on the microphone or the slash. Select layout. There's a split keyboard. This is a little bit bigger. I don't really like it that much. And then let's go to compact layout. So this one's a little bit different. I don't like that one. And then there's a 5-inch keyboard. This is okay. I don't really like that one. I'll show you the 7-inch layout one. Actually, this one's kind of nice. I kind of like it. Let me also show you in landscape. Landscape is kind of funky here, but let me show you more keyboards here, more layouts. My favorite, I think that one's for 7-inch, is a 10-inch, 9-inch layout. This one is just simply perfect. You got the numbers, and it also works in landscape and portrait, which is good. By far, this is probably the best keyboard out there, I think. There's also more options you can do. You can go to general keyboard settings and mess with a bunch of stuff. Like you can change the theme. They got like 28 themes. Like let's say I want wood, then I've got wood. So I've got a wooden keyboard. Well, didn't change it right. There's a little, it's a little bit buggy. So the settings are not working like they supposed to. Oh, there you go. How do I select this? Okay, you can download it. Okay. So it's downloading new theme. And oh yeah, let me know what you think of my last video, because I was gonna let's do voiceover on all my videos. I think it'll be more funny. Let me see here. And you can change the font size, layout, keyboard. And also another cool feature is you can change the keyboard dimensions. You can change the height of the keyboard in portrait or landscape mode. So let me switch out some of the landscape. So maybe make it a little bit smaller. So I'm in landscape, and then let me go back to the browser, and voila, so I've got a smaller keyboard. This is a great way to oh, I like actually this new wooden keyboard. I might keep it for a while. But this makes more sense because now I don't have to be all like, you know, the regular Android keyboard is like made for people like, you know, 7 feet with gigantic hands, and like this one is actually makes sense for a regular person like me. Or unless you're from like the land of giants or something. So I can go to my site. By the way, my Starburst ROM with overclock is running so beautiful on my Tab 10.1. My battery life is long. They've got another overclock to 1.6 gigahertz. That's gonna be my probably next video. Anyway, also leave comments on what you want me to make videos of. I read every comment. Anyway, that was a review of the best Android tablet keyboard apps. And I just showed you how to install it. There's a free one. If you don't want to pay, get the free one. If you don't mind paying $2.83 or $2 or $3, get this. I highly recommend it. You're gonna love typing on this over that standard junk. Alright, see y'all later, and subscribe. I'll have more apps, hacks, and everything. We cover everything. Yeah.